Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Julianaadampa. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a winter makeup tutorial slash routine slash get ready with me for a holiday party. Subscribe! If you guys want to see me achieve this look, keep on watching. Oh, goodbye! Oh, and stay for bloopers at the end. Hang all the mistletoe. Hey guys, I am about to apply this Josie Marin moisturizer on my face, and I'm going to take little dabs of it and apply it on my face to moisturize my face and make it clean. How much fun it's gonna be. Next, I'm going to take my Dream Matte Mousse from Maybelline, and I am going to apply it on my face. I like to wet my beauty blender before I put it in the foundation because it just makes my foundation apply so much smoother, and it just makes it look so natural and like so glowy and so glammed up. So I'm going to do that. We are caroling through the night. I am going to do my eyeshadow and my highlighter. I do not contour or like conceal my face. My Glitz and Glam palette that I got from TJ Maxx, it was like $5. So I'm gonna take it, and I like the shade Gold, the Gold Show. It's so pretty and I love it so much. I always use that shade in my videos, and also when I'm going to parties and things like that. Presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheer and you. Take this red and I'm going to chill out. I'm going to relax. I'm gonna breathe in. I'm gonna put this red eyeshadow on. And the town they do. This Christmas fireside is blazing bright. So I just finished my eyeshadow look on this side. I'm going to finish it on this side as well. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with this side of the look, the eyeshadow look, I am going to take my Revlon eyelash curler that I got from my mom. And it's my mom's old eyelash curler, and I love it so much. And I've had it for a couple of years. Actually, yeah, I've had it for like 2 years. It's always stayed true to what it's done, so it's awesome. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to curl my lashes with it because why not? Okay guys, now I'm going to take my Maybelline Falsies mascara. It is beautiful and it's purple and it perfectly fits the theme. It is amazing. It literally makes your lashes look so long and natural, and it's just like opening a Christmas present. I love it so much and it's amazing. I'm going to take my eyelash curler once again, and I like to do this when I fully put on my mascara so it can have that long lash effect, you know what I'm saying? Okay y'all, I think face makeup is done. Now I'm going to do the lips. I love this lip gloss. I'm going to take my LA lip gloss that I got from Walmart. It was like $1 for 5, or like, I don't know, it was a deal, and it was like so good. And it's the iridescent lip gloss, and plus it's holographic, y'all, so that means it's a steal for a big deal, y'all. So I'm gonna put this on. It makes your lips look so good, feel so good. Get that? There's a little glitter here. Probably can't see it on camera, but it's so pretty. Literally so cute. I love it so much, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love the look. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go on to the outro. thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. This has been the best 2019 season. It's been the best Christmas spirit season. And as you guys see behind me, I do have my Christmas circle. I tried really hard on it. I know it's like not the biggest thing, but I did try. I have my Christmas tree, and as you guys can probably tell, my theme is purple. So do you with it. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.